All right, guys, so for number 11, it says Zach is building a garden next to his house. He wants to fence it in to keep the rabbits out. The length needs to be 3 feet longer than twice its width. One side of the garden is attached to the house and does not need any fencing. So you can see if you look at the picture, right? They give you the length and then the width. So the other side that you're missing, this is like the house over here, okay? So you don't need that side. You just need these 3 sides. Now, there's a key term in here, right? A key phrase, I guess I should say. The length needs to be 3 feet longer than twice the width, all right? So since they're comparing, like we've done in class, right? When something's being compared to something else, it's important that whatever's being compared to, that becomes the variable. So I'm going to call the width x, all right? The length, now we have to do some translating. The length needs to be 3 feet longer than twice the width. If I think twice the width, well, if the width is x, twice that is 2x. And then 3 feet longer is plus 3. So that's going to be both the lengths of the fence, okay? So now part A, write an expression in the least number of terms, there's that wording again, to represent the perimeter. Well, we know perimeter is adding all the sides. So for this one, I'm going to add 2x plus 3 plus x plus 2x plus 3. And where do I get all those? From this side. I'm going to add this plus this plus this. And if I want it in the least number of terms, I'm going to combine terms. 2x plus x is 3x plus another 2x is 5x. And then my constants, 3 plus 3 is 6. And I know the unit because they told me earlier was feet. In part B, we're moving into some evaluating. It says, if the width of the patio is 2.75 feet, how much fencing will he need? So if you focus on what we already know, right? So here's our fence. We know that the width is 2.75 feet. That relates to x. If we want to find the length, then we have to evaluate 2 times 2.75 plus 3, right? That's going to give you 8.5, and you're going to get the same thing down here, 8.5, okay? So then, if you want to add all of those together, right? 8.5 plus 8.5 is 17, and then plus 2.75 is 19.75 feet. That's how much you'll need that's how much Zach will need to build this fence to keep the rabbits out of his garden.